I like the phrase professional pyromaniac, but I don't feel like that's... These huge assets run for 20 years, 24/7, often at 1600 degrees Celsius. These are materials on the edge. It's very difficult to prove what you model inside of a 1 meter deep, 5 meter wide, 6 meter long molten bath of glass. I can't stick my hand in it. I can't stick a probe in it. It all disappears. It gets destroyed. So we have to use things like simulation and digital tools to try and understand that, because this environment is so harsh. It's so on the edge of science. It's on the edge of technical understanding. My name's Aston Fuller. I'm a general manager here at Glass Futures. As an engineer by background that worked in the container industry, it means I'm deeply in love with the technology that we talk about developing in this place. Glass Futures is a not-for-profit research and technology organisation. That means we're here to develop and support technology in the global glass supply chain to really accelerate sustainability and decarbonisation. We designed and developed a really, truly technically unique asset. This is essentially an adaptable facility that allows us to test and demonstrate all sorts of different technologies. And the thing that's really special is we're able to talk to industry partners and actually be led by what's on their list. So the question I actually have in return is, what does the industry believe we should be working on? And we're asking every member, regardless of where they sit in the supply chain, to come and talk to us about what does best in class mean, what does the future look like, and how can we help demonstrate and deliver that future vision within this facility. Yes, we're investigating carbon capture, alternative fuels, digital technologies, but we also don't know what we don't know. The organisation is always from day one put the foundation stones in place to have a truly unique and powerful digital twin. Siemens really provides the hardware and software know-how about how we actually make this happen, how we bring it all together.
The ultimate aim is to create ultra-low carbon, sustainable glass that's got a future. I'm Stephen Haig, head of the glass industry, Siemens Digital Industries, UK and Ireland. My role with Glass Futures is to enable collaboration, partnerships and technology to come together as one entity to create this ultra-low carbon, sustainable glass of the future. There's a real need for glass manufacturing companies, brand owners, academia and technology companies like Siemens to come together to solve some of these future problems. So the focus is to enable the glass industry to optimise design, engineering and manufacturing processes to twin today's ideas into sustainable practices of the future. Automation and IT have always been viewed as two distinctly different areas. Bringing those two areas together can bridge the gap and create that data-rich environment that creates that deep learning.
The collaboration in Siemens has allowed us to see a route through doing things differently and actually taking the leap. Can I drink my coffee now?
Yes, you can.